Looking for a truly durable and efficient excavator? Meet the Komatsu PC210, your ultimate solution for relentless performance. With reinforced anti-collision beams and a robust undercarriage featuring 9 carrier rollers for superior stability in toughest conditions. This 20-ton classic model sets industry standards. With only a few hundred working hours, it performs like new. Hydraulic systems and swing motors. Powered by a robust 6-cylinder engine, it delivers massive power with minimal maintenance. Choose Komatsu PC210, where reliability meets productivity.